Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video we will be experimenting on feeding this watermelon to our birds. Feed, it takes about 7% of the total production costs in birds. So as time goes on, we try to experiment on other feeds stuffs that will cut down costs. So this is a melon, and we will try to experiment it on our birds. Melon is very hydrating, rich in vitamin C, which helps in boosting the immune system of birds and humans at large. So let's try to feed these ones to our birds and see how they react. Okay, I'll start by washing. We pour our water away. Now try to cut them. Into slice, gently slice them. It's too huge, so we will only be feeding these ones to our birds for today. Actually, I've tried it and it's really works. They really love it. It's a hydrating snack, like I said, rich in vitamin C, which helps them a lot. So as you watch this video, you can also experiment on these ones and let us know your views, your comments, their reactions in the comment section. So remove some of the seeds, leaving a few. Now that our snack is ready, let's take it to our birds and try feeding it to them. Hello, your snack is ready. So these are the little ones in the isolation chamber. The snack is ready. Wow, they are really loving it. Our little friends here are really loving their snack. They are really loving it. As you can see, melons are healthy snacks for our birds, rich in vitamin C, helps in boosting their immune system, keeping them well hydrated. Our little friends here are also enjoying their snack. They are really enjoying the melons. So try it at home, try it with your birds, and let us know the feedback. So thanks for watching. Kindly like, share our video, subscribe to our channel, and help us do this together. Bye.